first stage of the Carmarthen Food Trail, and we're here at the pumpkin patch, which I run as it happens. We've got a house full of children here. They're all busy making focaccia this afternoon. But this is the junior class, so they have a lot of fun whilst making their food. A lot of chat, a lot of fun, but a lot of food to take home as well. What's the very, very popular herb that gets put on focaccia? Rosemary. Twigs will be stuck in the middle of their focaccia. Alright Raven, do not stick it in the middle of your focaccia. I would drink and heat, well done. The hard stem, you see? They are, believe it or not, capable of working quite hard. And when they get to it, they can clear up in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Oh my goodness, look at all this. Can I have some help with the washing up? No!